If you know someone who has dementia, you know how challenging it can be to spend time with them. That is why NCPL is proud to present its new Cognition Kits. These kits were made possible thanks to a grant from the New Horizons for Seniors program. Each Cognition Kit is filled with special activities that have been designed just for people with dementia. Each kit will include a game, a specialty jigsaw puzzle, coloring sheets with pencil crayons included, and a Google Chromebook. All of the materials in the kits are specially designed for people with dementia. Thanks to the grant from New Horizons, we were able to purchase games and puzzles from keepingbusy.com. All of these games, they're very simple, and remember, there are no wrong answers. The point is just to have fun doing them. The jigsaw puzzles are only 35 pieces. They come fully assembled, but you can take them apart, and they come with a board with the completed image, and each piece is color-coded, making it easier for the person to do, depending on their abilities. The biggest feature of our Cognition Kits are the Google Chromebooks that are included with them. You can take these home with you and use them on your visit. You can use it to listen to music, watch videos, play games, or search for images that mean something special to this person. One of the best uses for a Chromebook is a conversation starter. For example, if you're visiting someone who used to be a mechanic, you could use the Chromebook to do a Google image search for old cars. Show them the picture, and remember, this is not to pressure the person into remembering their career. This is something that could hopefully spark memories. Show a picture of an old car and say, "Look at this neat old car," and perhaps that can bring up old memories of... The best thing about our Cognition Kits is they are 100% free. All you need is a valid library card, and you can borrow them for 1 whole week. All of our kits are different, so after you've used one, you can come back for another one. There are a total of 18 kits at all of our branches. There are 4 at each branch, except for Port Rowan and Waterford. They each have 3. And you can also request kits from another branch. Just remember to return them to the same branch that you signed them out from. We hope that these Cognition Kits will help you to connect with your loved ones who have dementia. If you have any other questions, NCPL branch staff are happy to help you.